Are you somebody who wants to be able to create a safer, healthier home? And maybe you're still looking for those last few products to help you do that. That was me 17 years ago. I had given up my full-time physical therapy career to become an at-home mom. And at that point, I had three boys, 6, 4, 1, and our little Sam was not yet born. And I was looking for solutions to create a safer home. But the problem I kept running into is that a lot of the cleaners and detergents were expensive if they were safer ingredients. And often they just didn't perform the way that I needed them to perform, being mom of boys, right? So when I found Norwex, it literally checked all the boxes. And here I am 17 years later. And so if that sounds good to you, I also want to share there was one more box that it checked. And that was the box of helping us financially because in giving up my full-time physical therapy income, it meant we had a bit of a gap in the financial picture. And I was looking and praying for a way that I could add some meaningful income, but still be able to be home with the kids. And for me, that was Norwex. So today, I want to share with you how simple it is to get started in July and why I think July is an amazing time to jump in. And also, if you have a consultant who shared this video with you, please be sure to stay connected with them. They're going to help answer your questions, help you get started. And if you have questions, feel free to pop them down in the comments as well. All right. So why is July such a great month to get started? Well, I will tell you that I am just now celebrating my 17th year with Norwex, and I joined in July. So call me biased, but I do think it's an amazing month to get started for so many reasons. I won't get into those today, but let me just say it's a great month. Okay, so let's talk about how to open your very own Norwex Consultant account, whether you're like me and you're looking for solutions and you want to Norwex your home, you want to create a healthier home and help others do the same. And also if you would love to add another stream of income. I loved Norwex for that reason because it's such a practical product. It's not a luxury item. Everyone already has it in their budget. They've already budgeted for paper towels and all the spray cleaners and floor cleaners and all the things. So to me, it was a perfect fit where I could literally solve people's problems, just like my own problems, and earn income doing it, earn income making a difference. Okay, next up, let's talk about the sign up process. So if you are working with a consultant, you'll want to be sure to get their joining link. And from there, you're going to choose your kit, the one that best meets your needs. And at sign up, you will have a moment where you can select a skincare upgrade package. And I will say this about the Norwex skincare. I have used a lot of skincares. When I was in my 40s, I began to see my skin was showing signs of aging. I wasn't loving it. And so I tried a lot of different skincares, sadly, not all of them being super healthy. And so when I tried the Norwex one, I really didn't expect to see results. I was like, well, at least the ingredients are safe and healthy and EWG verified. Like this is important to me. But my skin improved. So I love that little kit builder option for you at sign up. Now, when I'm working with consultants, a lot of them want to jump in and they want to Norwex their home right out of the gates. Like they're like, I want to experience more of the products than just what's in the starter kit. And so I have put together what I call a kit builder. If you're working with a consultant, they can help you utilize your consultant's discount, 35%, right out of the gates. And so I have what I call my Detox Your Home bundle and my Detox Your Body bundle. We have a massive mission with Norwex. We have so many homes to change. We are in about 4% of homes, and that's just not nearly enough. That means 96% of homes don't know about or have these products. And I can't do it alone. We would absolutely love you to join us in the mission, help you Norwex your own home, help your loved ones Norwex their home, and potentially, if you are interested, help you open up another stream of income for your family. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful, be sure to hit the little notification bell and subscribe. And if you have questions, put them in the comments, and be sure to check in with the consultant who shared this video with you.